We have jumper, LED, resistor, 7 touch sensor, and Maker Uno and breadboard. So I'm gonna show how to connect and make piano. So first, take the LED and resistor. The short one is negative and the long one is positive. Connect resistor to positive. And then take jumper, connect to touch sensor pin. For the first touch sensor, connect to pin number 2 Maker Uno, and then the white one to positive and the black one to negative. And then take the second touch sensor, connect to pin number 3, connect to positive and negative. Take the third touch sensor, and then take another jumper, connect the 5-volt pin to positive on breadboard, and then connect ground to the ground on breadboard. Don't forget for the LED. Positive, connect with pin 13, and negative to ground. After that, we can upload the code. From the Arduino, and then click upload. Use the Cytron box and rearrange the components inside the box to look more organized and beautiful. Then, arrange the touch sensors on top of the box and label the pitch for each touch sensor. The arrangement of the touch sensor is according to the pins used on the Maker Uno. So starting from pin 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So for the pitch for pin 9 is C, 7 is D, 6 is E, 5 is F, 4 is G, 3 is A, and 2 is B. Okay, now let's play.